It gets a bit overwhelming for someone who doesn't have the habit of reading to even start.
Short stories,
Yeah.
books of axioms, anecdotes, truisms. No?
Just get into the habit
Just
of
get into the habit.
habit of
You don't have to read big novels. No. Start with short stories. Why
Yeah.
not short stories?
I feel even if you read something like a short story, the minute you complete it, you feel a sense of achievement, and that will make you want to go on to the next.
Yes.
It's like completing small
And if someone
tasks
cannot
first.
read even short stories, I would say read excerpts.
Yeah.
2 pages, 3 pages of excerpts from something magnificent. And maybe that will impel you to go to the short story. And once you have gone through 10, 20 short stories, maybe you'll feel like going to that person's novel, that magnum opus, the best work he has come up with. But if you want to start with a 800-page novel, that would be quite deterring. You won't proceed.
Yeah.
because it's a mountain. You're like, I can't climb this.
And also give yourself some kind of deadline. Like buy a small book, 60 pages, 80 pages, 150 pages. 150 pages, 15 stories. And just tell yourself 2 weeks. 2 weeks.
Yeah.
And you are not obliged to read everything there.
Yeah.
You know, if there are 15 stories and if there are 4 you started off with and found interesting, read just those 4 and then get on to the other one, next book.
Yeah.